The aim of the public map platform is to transform the nature of the planning system in the UK. Typically, very few people get involved in planning. They feel very disempowered. Maybe 1%, 3% might have any kind of say in the making of a local plan. And the public map platform is going to be a sandwich of data which actually enables communities to see what's going on in their place, to make decisions and to actually input more meaningfully into the planning system and have a say on the way that their built environment and their places are created for the future. So the platform itself is a data sandwich, including the usual sort of data layers like census data, but also including data layers that we found. We've been collecting data all over, bringing it in to one spot, all freely available and open source. And we're doing this using OpenStreetMap. Anyone can get involved in adding data to that map, wherever they are in the globe. But of course, our focus is the pilot here on Ynys Isle of Anglesey in North Wales. We're developing a method to cut the cake up, if you will, and each slice will tell us something about each of the well-being outcomes of the Future Generations Act. Ultimately, we need to be able to make places that are built on evidence of what people want, and in particular what children and young people want, because they're just so disenfranchised from the making of our places. So we need places that are great for everybody to live in, but most of all, great for the children and young people that are our future generations. They are the ones who care about climate change, and they are the ones who really want the world to be a better place. So let's place our faith in them.